Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Chris, aka the IT guy, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install the PyCharm on the Windows 11. I'm going to go through the processes step by step easily so as to catch it very well. So let's go straight to the point. The first thing that I have to have is to have the internet connection, because we need to download the setup from the official website, and you will go straight away to the browser of your favorite. In this case I'm using Chrome, and go ahead and open your browser, as I'm opening Chrome, and wait for a bit. And once your browser is in here in the search, you can go ahead and type PyCharm like this one, like this, and press enter. And in the search results we see that there will be a lot of links in here, but the one that we will use is this from jetbrains.com, and I'm going to go ahead and click on this first link, and I'm going to open it in the new tab and wait for it to load. Alright, and once now it is now successfully loaded, you can see that there will be a lot of information on here, and the download button will be nearby here. So I'm going to go ahead and go straight to the download button. I'm going to click on download, and as you are seeing, there will be these platforms. There will be for Windows, for Mac OS, and for Linux. But as I'm using the Windows host, I'm going to go ahead and choose for the Windows, as detected it by default. And there will be two versions, for the professional or for the paid one, and for the community, which is now the free, but it eliminates some of the features as you are seeing on here. So I'm going to go ahead and try the community version. I'm going to click on download, and now the download will start, and it will depend upon your speed of your internet and your speed of your computer. So I'm going to wait and give it a go. I will come back when this is complete, and to make this video very short, I'm going to speed up, and I will come back when this is complete. Okay, cool, and you can see that the download is complete. The next tab that I'm going to do, I'm going to minimize my browser first of all to have a clean workspace like this, and I'm going to place on open so as to open the setup and to continue with the instruction processes. So you have to give it a go to wait a bit for the setup to start, and as I'm talking, it is somehow showing up, so let's wait. I'm going to click on yes, and you can see that there will be this instruction wizard, and you can go ahead and lead, as it will ask you to lead through this. And I'm going to click on next to go on the next phase, and it will show me the destination folder as C program files, JetBrains PyCharm Community Edition 2022.2. You can go ahead and change it if you want to change it to another specific location, but to avoid errors in the future, I'm going to leave this as default. So I'm going to go ahead and place on next again, and there will be some install options. It will ask us if you want to create a desktop shortcut, like I'm having these shortcuts in here for Unity or any other software. I'm going to check this so as to have an icon like here, so when I want to access it, I will be able to click on the icon right away. And it is asking us if we want to update the path variable, and I'm going to check this, and it will ask us to restart, but that's not the case. And we will also try to update the context menu, or for the add open for the as a project when you are using PyCharm. I'm going to check this, and I'm going to associate all the .py files with this. I'm going to click on check, and I'm going to check on there too, and I'm going to go ahead and click on next and install. So I'm going to wait for a couple of minutes for this installation to be done. To see what's going on, you can go ahead and click on show details, so to see what is going on. So when you meet with any error, you can spot the error very easily. So I'm going to speed this up so as to never make this video a huge one. So I will come back when this is complete. Alright, and once now the instruction is complete, you see that there will be two options that it will ask us to reboot, so as to set the path as we have chosen. So I'm going to go ahead and leave this as I want to manually boot later. So I'm going to click on finish, and as you are taking a closer look on the desktop, you can see that there will be this icon for the PyCharm Community Edition 2022.2. I'm going to open this by double click and wait, and it will ask us if we want to agree for the terms. I'm going to click on I confirm that I have read and accepted the terms of this agreement. I'm going to click on continue, and I'm going to don't send the data sharing stuffs. I'm going to click on don't send, and it will launch like this. And this is now the first page that it will show you on here. I'm going to go ahead and click on new project. I'm going to call this, for example, Hano Media, and I'm going to click on create, and it will use virtual env to create the environment, and the base interpreter will be for the Python 3.9. So I'm going to create this and wait for a bit to load all the components, and to start to download the Python, as it will be now the programming language that will be used to learn our programs by using the PyCharm. So, and I'm going to wait for this. Alright, and now once the all dependencies are complete in storing, you can see that there will be this main.py file that will be used as now the test file. Then there will be this function, and there will be this main function. So I'm going to go ahead and click on run to see if now the environment is working, and you can see that it is showing you hi PyCharm. And when you take a closer look, you will see that this is now the argument that will be taking this placeholder and the name. I can go ahead and type Chris, and when I click run, it will say hi Chris. So I hope guys find this video interesting and you liked it. So if you liked it, go ahead and press the like button to show that you liked the video. And if you are coming on the channel for the first time, please make sure you subscribed for never missing the future videos. And let me know if you get any error during the installation. I will be here to help you. So this was it for today. I hope I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.